We are so fortunate that we are born in this. But time is passing. There is no guarantee. Yesterday I said, King Bharat, son of Rishabdev, eldest son, I shall go to the forest. I shall not remain in the house. Wife, children. I shall devote myself fully for the service of Vrindavan. I shall not spend a moment for any other thing. He went there, and what happened? When he went to get water from a spring, one deer, pregnant, she deer, heard the voice, heard the sound of a lion, and out of fear made a jump, and the young one of the deer came out from her stomach, and on the spring. And after that, that deer died. Oh. Now if I don't rescue this, there is nobody. It is my duty to rescue that young one of the deer. And he brought that deer. And for them, he renounced the household members. Now he was going to the village for getting some milk for the baby, for the young one. Yeah. He is spending, and afterwards, when that deer is moving and coming to him, so beautiful eyes and so beautiful, and he was attracted. He was kissing always thinking, some Parashad may come, always thinking. By thinking, he died, and next he became, whatever you will think at the time of death, accordingly you will be born. Jam jam bhavish param bhavya tante kalevar tam tam udgante samtat bhav bhavita. We should prepare ourselves in such a way that at the time of death we shall think about Krishna. Then we shall go to the lotus feet of Krishna. We should not spoil the time.